Welcome to Bushcraft Quebec channel.
Oh my god, he wants to get hit? Imagine that for 3 hours, guys. You just want to strangle the damn thing. No, he calms down pretty fast, but at the beginning we had 2-3 hours of this. It's amazing. Yeah, relax. Yeah, in 15 minutes when we're on the road, he's gonna come down. And guess what, guys? We had Bammies from Montreal. It's a nice, like a super mixed, really nice with cilantro. It's really nice. And you know, we just, because Yoko, the caniche, the poodle has a, she has a sickness. She needs to stay home. So she started to eat the, like she started ripping it. As soon as we brought her back home, she just started eating the whole thing, man. Good thing we still have one we can share. One sandwich we can share. So, you okay, Bruno? So we have 2 coffee. What time is it? It's 5:31. We just need to get the hell out of here because, you know what I'm saying?
Get a long way to go in short time to get there.
Well, you can see the guitar, the dog is calm, the sun is coming down, 7:30, going up Mauricie, halfway between Shawinigan, let's say, and Leipzig, Crownland. Actually worked there last year. So we're heading there. I know a spot, platform box, pickup box camping. Truck bed camper. Okay, I'll do something. Watch out. Right here, you see. Everything is ready. You got the tarp here. Massive tarp. Massive tarp. Axe, bow, shovel. Everything is here, bro. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Ready to go to sleep. Sleep system and everything. Let's do this. Once again, on a little road trip. It's minus 12, 15. I'm shaking. Yeah. When I got to one of the spots and I wanted to camp, we couldn't even go because they blocked the entrance. So here we are. So tomorrow we're going to spend a whole day in the woods. Thank you for watching. And with this scar, pretty hard to move the tendon. Whew, pretty fast, you know. It was warm all of a sudden. Minus 15. What is it? Minus 20 now? What the hell? It's pretty cold out here, man. Like minus 12 or something. That's a kind of sinking. Oh, it's gonna boil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why is it becoming brown? It's weird. We're testing the Dave Canterbury cooking pot. Let's see. Where's this guy? This guy is hidden. Oh, right here. Oh, yeah. There he is. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Floor mats over here together. We're going to close that. It's going to hold the blanket. It's going to be pretty good. Coffee's ready. Thank you for watching. We're going to show you the setup a little later on. Obviously, we're not sleeping at the. Let's say you're sleeping on the side. The wind is going to make the top part of your body cold. But besides that, I think it's perfect for this summer. For the winter, not really. It's minus 15, man. Whoa! It's cold. Yesterday I wanted to use a lanthol. Yes, a lanthol. This is like auntie's underwear. I can't use this for my lamp. Man, it's like my... Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Just 2 sips. He was warm all night. Very warm in his spot. You put your hand where he was sleeping. This guy was so comfortable. Thanks for watching, everybody. There's lots of dead trees over here, but the trail ends here, and it's really not really the best spot to start accessing the woods. Maybe I'm gonna look for another spot down there. So glad to see you with us. Back it up, back it up. Good. Didn't forget anything. Come on. Let's go. Seatbelts on. Oh, skitter. Skittery bop. Oh, why? That was a -20 night at the peaks. We're going to see. Welcome to the wood machine. Well, if you ask me if I can live on like type of reserve like that, I don't know why. Something's telling me. Maybe I fought along Indian tribe as it's in my DNA. I don't know. Something's telling me this is my place. I don't have a place in the city. Like every place that I see that I really like to live is literally on an Indian reserve like here. That's really awkward because you see it's a community first of all, and there's good values according to, you know, like hunting and things like that. So, man. Anyways, going to Paran. Find a spot. Let's go. Willing to bet it's a hare on the road. No, it's a fox. It's a fox. It's going back in the woods. It's going up the hill. Look at this guy. Oh my god, he wants to get hit? Oh, he knows where to go. Yo, these guys, it's 60. Whoa! Whoa! Wow, look at this guy! Look at this guy! What the hell he's doing? He just wants to chill or what? He thinks he's a trapper or something. But he's not. that was something. Did you see that? That fox, I don't know, when he went up that hill, I don't know what he saw, what he heard on the other side, but it looks like he had something to eat over there or something, was protecting his food or something, because look at that. This guy was just coming back. Yo, 60 kilometers per hour. These guys can run. Not quite the area you want to start setting up your camp. You see what I mean? Up there, I don't want to go there. Train track. You really have to make sure there's no train. You know what I'm saying? I think I found a good spot. Finally, a little log in the road. Oh, they came here to make some wood, hey? Why don't we use our wood? Fuck it. I already cut it. Let's go further. Yeah, man. She fell onto her hips. Preparing this little fire spot. We're gonna have our seats here. We can dry up our feet over here. It's a fire spot, so we start the wood here. We're gonna bring out everything from underneath the platform. We're gonna show you a bit. Today we're gonna give you a nice review of this platform, and we're gonna make a structure with the super tarp from I Took Tent. So I'll give you some news about that. She's got the tinder. Got lots of stuff in here. I will show you more after. Thank you, mister, for sawing me a piece of wood. I'm gonna look for some more to leave on the side though. I'm gonna start this fire in a few moments. Just gonna bring the wood back here. Okay. I'll just put that tinder in here. Here's the thing. Nice. There you go. Yeah. look at this guy. He likes it, I think. So I went to somebody that says, I like the way you are enjoying the view. We were on the mountains, on the tailgate, on our chairs, watching the nice view. And we were making tea, and this person, I came to her and said, have you ever heard of Christmas tree tea? Well, this is Christmas tree tea. This is balsam fir tea from the year growth, basically the annual year, the first growth. Vitamin C. Don't heat it too much. Like this, you can't boil it too much. Just let it simmer. We're gonna add a little bit more because this is more for one person. We're gonna add a little bit more. Forêt y Goûter. That company has nice tea. Brew that. I think I'm gonna go get some chaga. Dump it in there too. They have chaga as well. They have mushrooms. Very nice company. Check this out. Come on, I made him a little tent. You know, relax, stay. Hey, rest. No, you stay, Kush. Kush. This is where I put the bow. Pretty cool platform, I like it. Really like it. And let's just go straight for the nice arrow in here. I have one nice arrow. And I even think I don't even have any edges on it. Oh damn. Yeah, I think I have a good here. I have hunting. That one has no. Hey boy, look at this one. It's so crooked. I don't even have one nice arrow. With a regular tip. And I'm going to use the other bow. I don't have to mess around that much. And I'm just going to draw right away. I don't know how to aim with this thing, man. I'll just go with instinct. Oh, I hit it. Not that bad. At least I hit it. So how did I do it? Get my bow rack. How did I do it? Well, let's go by the front. Let's go see by the front. How did I do this? Look at this. So we have a bipod in the back. And we have a ridge pole all over. And on the side here I use screws. And there you go. I just made that here in the woods with those 2x3s. Strapped it on here. We have Bruno, this toy. Modular sleep system. So these are the large floor mats. So maybe the mediums you can have 3 here. Nice configuration. You can see inside the cab. Scene, beautiful day, couple of spare blankets, just drying off a bit. And that's the, I use the strap to really make sure we don't have a problem. A beautiful sunny day, beautiful sunny day. Jack pine forest, black spruce with birch, yellow birch, no, just the white birch.
And imagine, if I wanted to, I could actually put a wood stove in the middle here, right at the entrance, so I can stay warm. Could do it, but sweet gale seeds. You can use this as a very strong spice. Don't need a lot. Yeah, that actually has some kind of a pepper smell. Yeah, pepper smell. It smells like pepper. Okay, as I was saying, the sweet gale seeds are very tasteful. They give an Italian-style spice with an aroma of thyme, laurier, oregano, while being very peppery. Let's try this out. You see the embers here? Barbecue. Oh gosh. That's good. Trick. Make a V-notch. Decide that you want the tree to fall, and at the last moment you make it. Anyways, the tree was stuck and I got it out. I'll be back. All right, guys. So what's my logic here? Okay, came out and took 2 trees, and they were the first ones here, and I just ended up at the end. There's one reason why it's really good to do that, because there's no residue in deep snow, and I don't want to walk with snowshoes in this with my chainsaw. Look, I have enough residue to basically just have a little edge over the snow. Also, I did it about 4 feet sections, and we have to give back to the guy that gave us logs, so I gotta leave some on the side. Yeah, so I'll see you later. See, I cut a tree right here, okay, right here, and I cut this one down there. So these are dead trees that you were using for firewood. And look, I cut a live tree here to use 1 pole. And look at this. It's my platform, so I can go up and down to this one. So it's just little logical things to think about. So my tree got stuck, but I got it to roll over. Made a notch. Made an undercut where on the side that I wanted it to fall, and there you go. But it's really something I don't want to explain right now. It's dangerous. Good morning. Good morning. She's filming with the tablet now because my phone is frozen. I can't even charge it because it's frozen. Look, I have a hook here, which is good for these cooking pot because you don't have to burn yourself. Put it where it boils real nice. It's minus 20 at night around here, minus 18, minus 20, and I don't know, I didn't really, I wasn't comfortable in the modular sleep system. That's why I bought the Array Mirror sleeping bag, because it was minus 40 and I slept, you know, without a stove. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the truck once my phone is charged up. Show you how I did it. Hey guys, I wanted to show you the truck, and we just were too cold. It's minus 20. But I don't like the modular sleep system. Didn't really felt comfortable. Had a cold breeze all night long, a little chilly. Yeah, so let's do this.
Pick up on this one.